Figma Auto Layout. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and type in figma.com. On the homepage, click Get Started for free at the top right of the screen. Enter your email address, then click the Continue with Email. After logging in, click the Design at the top of the screen. In the workspace, you can create an element or shape. Click the Rectangle tool to make a shape. For example, I'm using this. Then, make a few duplicates of your element by copying and pasting. When finished, select all the elements. Hold Shift and click each layer to select them. Once all are selected, right-click and find the option Group Selection. Click it to group the elements. When grouping is done, move to the right side of your screen and click the Auto Layout option. Now your group of elements has Auto Layout applied. To adjust the Auto Layout settings, click the Auto Layout section again. You can change the direction, spacing, and alignment to fit your design. To set gap between each element, drag the value on the gap icon.